Hi friends. Today we're going to learn something super important in math, the order of operations. It's like a set of rules that helps us solve math problems in the right order. When we see a math problem with many steps, we can remember the order using the word PEMDAS. Say it with me. PEMDAS. That stands for P parentheses, E exponents, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. These letters tell us which operation to do first and which comes last. Let's look at some examples together. Example 1, 5 plus 2 times 3. What should we do first? That's right. Multiplication comes before addition. So we do 2 times 3 equals 6, then 5 plus 6 equals 11. Example 2. Now let's add parentheses. 5 plus 2 times 3. This time we do what's inside the parentheses first. 5 plus 2 equals 7, then 7 times 3 equals 21. See how the parentheses change the answer? Example 3. Let's try one with an exponent, 2 plus 3 squared. The exponent means 3 times 3, which equals 9. Now add 2 plus 9 equals 11. Example 4. One more with everything, 4 plus 2. Times 3 squared first, solve the parentheses. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Next, the exponent. 3 squared is 9. Then multiply. 6 times 9 equals 54. So remember, friends, parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and last addition or subtraction. Great job, mathematicians. Now you know how to follow the order of operations